I tell you what, he uses the crease well to play the spinners. Well, that's out. Poor shot from the batsman. Must be kicking himself. And there comes the celebration and the crowd loves it. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. They wanted to hit that ball. There's such a wonderful crowd in to watch their favourite players. Hasn't timed the ball at all, and the fielder will grab it. The fielding side is ecstatic after that breakthrough. Looks frustrated as he takes a long walk back to the pavilion. Well, as you can see, there was excellent running between the wickets. Spectacular catch. Perfectly timed his jump and made sure he held on to that one. Batsman takes the long walk back to the pavilion. My God.